Hey, how's everyone doing? Yeah, I'm going to again try different software, and I am going to make my purchase when I know it goes on sale. And I should really hold off a little longer, because what happens if they come out with next year's version in the next couple of months? Then what would you do? I've been using Power Director for a long time. I've been using Magix for a long time. I try using Resolve. I have it. I just need it for certain things. And yeah, I've been using recently CapCut, and I go back and forth between Magix and CapCut. I like to blur a certain thing out, and it's not easy to do in Magix at all. You can't blur it. You have to do a number of things to do it. Basically, you have to duplicate your video into the file. You have to get a mask going, and you have to get a gradient blur on it. And if it moves, good luck. It's like a camera. The camera doesn't have it all, so another camera may have different features. Not all cameras are made the same, and the same goes with the editors. Yeah, some editors have what you want and the others don't, and that's why I use multiple things. I know a sale's going to be coming on, so I'm holding off, but I want to buy it out. I don't have the older software to do an upgrade that's a little cheaper. And I don't like to do annuals, but sometimes the annual plan becomes a lot cheaper than buying it out. The only difference between the annual, monthly, and the purchase is access to the thousands of things that they have online. That's it. Now, I'm also sitting back and thinking real hard about the DJI Osmo 4. Oh yeah, man, the Osmo Action 4. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm really thinking. I got my dozen bagels, and I wanted 6 everything, 3 cinnamon, 3 pumpernickel. What do I get? 6 everything, 6 cinnamon, and a pumpernickel. Yeah, I might as well just say, give me bagels, buddy. I guess the next time when I ask for bagels, I should say 6 cinnamon, wait till the guy puts it in, and then say 6 everything and a pumpernickel. And then maybe he'll give me my 6 everything, 3 cinnamon, 3 pumpernickel, and an extra. Oh man, the birds. Yeah. Yeah, so the Action 4, I have a $50 credit, 50. I got about 2 and change in funds, and the rest will be my personal money. Oh yeah, I am really thinking about it. But I hear the GoPro Hero 12 comes out. It's not going to be any better than the Hero 11. People are saying, oh yeah, bigger sensor doesn't mean better camera. There could be more grain to the video. I still hear again overheating. Oh, I hear, how come the 11 has beautiful depth in the clouds, and the 084, it's just blurry? Do I have a bad camera? I'm on a site, man, and the owner asked me, when does the Hero 12 come out? When I had to tell them, make a Hero 12 and change the banner. Oh man, they just don't know anything. Lucia, we had that pizza last night. It was pretty good. It wasn't that bad, but the pepperoni, man, it was salty. The pepperoni I had wasn't as salty. So a lot of funds can be spent. Software, cameras, you name it. Gear for the software, gear for the camera. And man, let me tell you, you got one good system. Once you're all done, I have an excellent camera. I got 2 good cameras, and I got a couple of good softwares. I want to be perfect, just like you. I'm Fish, and I thank you for listening to my story. And on that note, time to go get some coffee and enjoy the bagel.